Hello guys, how to fix 0x80248007 Windows update error code in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is go to Windows settings, under system, click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and here Windows update troubleshooter, click on run. It will detect any issue regarding Windows update and fix them accordingly. Wait for some times. The next workaround is go to Windows search, type services.msc and open services windows. Here look for Windows installer, right click on it and choose a start option. If already a start mode in your system, then choose restart. Thereafter apply double click on it and a startup type set as automatic and stop it. Later restart it. The next workaround is again open Windows services and here go to the Windows update services, right click on it and stop Windows update services for a while. Once services is stopped, then open File Explorer, press bin plus E shortcut key to open File Explorer and go to this path. If this path not open, then manually open Windows C drive. Here go to the option Windows. Thereafter go to software distribution folder. Open it. Here go to download and press Ctrl plus A to select all the downloaded items and delete all these items. Thereafter again go to services windows and start Windows update services and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Also Windows update set a startup type as automatic. Press apply and then OK to save the changes. The next workaround is go to background intelligence transfer services BITS and also right click on it, double click on it and set a startup type as automatic. Click on start and press apply and then OK button. The next workaround is go to Windows search, type command prompt, open run as administrator mode and click yes. Here execute few commands. First execute these 4 commands to stop all net related services one by one. Copy it and paste it. Once all these 4 commands will executed, then execute these 2 commands one by one followed by enter key. All these commands path will also available in my video description. You may copy from there. Once these 2 commands executed, then again execute these 4 commands to start it. Recently you have stopped it, now start it and check whether your Windows update error